Hello everyone, welcome back to this series of Jimmy Bob Joe's nature documentary channel, where we observe different kinds of animals in the wild. In this episode, we will be viewing the elusive species known as the Birb. Its name originates from the bird, but it's different because it ends with a B instead of a D. First, we'll be conducting a test to find out its eating habits. We know that in the wild it eats nuts and berries, but we are going to feed it a potato anyways. Oh, it's going for it. Oh, it's taking a bite. Oh, I think it likes it. Oh, it drops it. It does not like it. Now we will begin the touch test. Let's see how it reacts. I think it's, what is it doing? I don't think it likes that very much. Okay. Well, okay. Is this like some sort of sign of mental illness? Who knows? Okay. Now we will observe its hobbies. As you can see, it appears to be a therapist for other animals. Let's view this now.
Hello, I am your therapist for today. What do you need help with?
Oh man, I'm just like so depressed right now. I don't know if you can see, but I'm wiping tears off my face, man. This hurts a lot.
It hurts, really? It looks like you're like patting me.
Mentally, it hurts.
Oh,
I can't reach.
Oh, okay.
I can't reach my eyes, so I'm just patting my cheek.
Alright then. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, how crippling is this depression of yours?
Oh, my depression. Oh, let me think. It's more crippling than an old person's face.
That's not an option.
Oh.
Why did you just stereotype old people too?
Wait, did I?
Problem?
No.
What's the real answer, buddy?
Okay, I'm sorry. The real answer is 10. I'm like so depressed right now.
Okay, so how did you get this depression of yours?
Oh, how did I get it? Well, it goes a long way back. There's a really long story attached to it. But
Let's hear it.
it might take a little while.
Okay, I got a chair. That's a chair.
That's a chair? Alright. Well, my dad took away my Xbox.
Get out of my office.
What?
As you can see, it's quite violent.